Hi, my name is Josh and I'm in the Automotive Technology program here at the CTC. So I chose this pathway because from when I was really young, I've always loved cars. And so I've wanted to learn how to work on my own car and work on friends' cars and possibly do this for a career. I'd like to be an auto mechanic and work on cars because, like I said, I've always loved cars. And so working on them, just the way the engine works and things like that is something that's always stood out to me. And so I chose to be an auto mechanic. Well, the classes at the CTC teach at least the first class teaches the basic stuff, like changing your oil, changing a tire. And then when you get into the more advanced classes, that's where you learn like how the engine works, how to repair something in the engine, like a misfire or something like that. And so that helps you get ready and teaches you like, this is what to expect, this is what's gonna happen, this is what you need to get ready for. So one of the projects is we have a bunch of junk cars here, and so the one we're working on right now is a 2004 Impala. And basically what we do, since it's a junk car, we practice changing the oil, which we've probably done about 15 times, so it's probably been through 5,000 times of oil. So we practice changing the oil, and we'll take the wheels off, put the tires back on, use the tire machine to remove the tire from the wheel, and then put it back on. And we have it up on the lift pretty much all the time, just practicing and working with it, checking fluids, things like that. I would definitely say go for it because this class is beneficial and it's a lot of fun actually. We do tons of things that you probably want to learn or probably didn't know, like changing oil. And Mr. Lopez is just a really great teacher and really fun, and so he makes this class enjoyable and he makes it fun.